If you're trying to save money on Bluehost hosting, this video is going to help. I'll walk you through how to use a special coupon link that activates the biggest discount Bluehost offers, and I'll also share a few tips to make sure you get started on the right foot, especially if this is your first time building a website. So here's how it works. If you go straight to the Bluehost website, you'll see their regular pricing. But if you want the best deal, use the exclusive partner link I've added in the description below. With that link, the highest available discount is applied automatically. No need to search for promo codes, no copying and pasting, nothing extra to do. Just scroll down, click the first link you see in the description, and you'll be taken to the Bluehost site where the discounted pricing is already active. Now, let's talk about your hosting options. If this is your first website, the basic plan is usually the way to go. It's affordable and includes everything you need for a single website, great for a blog, personal brand, or small business. If you want to sell products online, the e-commerce essentials plan is ideal. It includes everything in Choice Plus, like backups and privacy, plus WooCommerce tools, secure payments, and store features. It's a small upgrade with huge value. No matter which plan you choose, every Bluehost hosting package includes a free domain name for the first year, a free SSL certificate to secure your site, and a one-click WordPress installer to make setup super fast and beginner-friendly. If you ever need help, Bluehost also has 24/7 customer support via live chat or phone. Their support team is known for being responsive and helpful, which can really make a difference if you're running into something technical or just need some direction. Another great thing is the 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you sign up, test things out, and decide it's not the right fit, you can cancel within the first month and get a full refund. No questions asked, no hassle. Now, a quick tip before you check out. You might see some optional add-ons like extra site security, SEO tools, or email services. These can be useful, but they're not required, so don't feel pressured to add them if you're just getting started. You can always upgrade later once your site is live and you know what you really need. Once you've signed up and your hosting account is ready, be sure to check out the next video I've linked right here. It's a full step-by-step guide that shows you how to set up your WordPress site on Bluehost, even if you've never done anything like this before. We'll go through everything from logging in to publishing your first page. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy your Bluehost savings.